As a new seller on eBay, are you always struggling to get positive feedback from the customer? As a new seller, you struggle because they won't give you any positive feedbacks, or they just receive the items or parcel, then they just ignore you. So of course, as a new seller, you hope that there will be more positive feedback from the customer to build your credentials for your store and so on, so that there will be more customers coming to your store and purchase goods from you. There'll be good news for all new sellers out there, and after 3rd of September, there'll be automatic feedback given by the eBay system. If you ship your goods and the buyer receives the goods and he has no issue with the goods and no delay or whatever things, or no complaints from the buyers, you will automatically receive positive feedback from here. So this is actually just announced, and you can check it out from on the seller protection page, and it mentions about this as well, and these are some of the criteria known as the automated feedback. And most transaction goes smoothly, sellers providing great service, but has not always been reflected in buyer feedbacks. You ship orders with tracking and it arrive on time, the buyer hasn't left feedbacks, and the buyer hasn't reported any issues. I mean, people have been waiting for like positive feedback, so this has a system that gives you positive feedback based on your performance, where you don't delay your shipping and you give tracking number as well. So do know that next time when you ship, right, make sure you give your tracking number so that you can get automatic feedback from the eBay. So don't give untracked parcel delivery, because it will be hard for you to trace the products, and it's not good actually. And also for professionalism, it's better to go for more expensive shipping with tracking number, right? So what I think about this deals, and I saw this, I was also excited to share with you about this. What you have to do now is to focus on your sales and to boost products selling to other parts of the world, US, Australia, UK, and Europe. So once you show your professionalism by shipping goods on time, without any defect and without any complaints from the buyer, you receive positive feedback automatically. So what do you think about this news? So are you excited about this? Please leave a comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel where I talk about cross-border business and also tariffs. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.